Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Fathom Green 69 Chevelle. There's a 396 under the hood. It's beautiful interior. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can look at the bottom side. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna fire it up for you. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come up right now and we'll fire it up for you right now. Check out this paint job. I tell you what, the painter on this one hit it out of the park. Beautiful job. Body work looks great. All the lines are lining up nice. The chrome looks good. The grill looks great. I mean, that paint, it looks like you could stick your hand in it. Look at the reflection in it. It is beautiful. Look down the side of it, straight as can be. Got period correct wheels and tires on it. Actually, the tires are BFG. The gap on the door is nice and flush, just maybe a little wide here, but a lot of them are that way from the factory. The gap here is looking nice and even and nice and flush there. Door handle's in great shape. Doors operating nice and smooth. All the lips in here, everything's nice and clean. These are all the things you need to look at when you're looking into one of these cars. Feel that bottom lip down there. You can feel nice, smooth paint. That door panel looks like it's brand new. It's got a Rosewood steering wheel on it, the 4-speed shifter. Now those are the operating instructions hanging from the rear view mirror. We've got nice upholstery on the seats. It looks like I've got 3 seat belts in the rear. The package tray back there looks good. All the trim around the back window looks good. The headliner and even the dome lights working. You can see the faces of the gauges are nice and clean. The lenses on the gauges are nice and clear. Just an amazing looking vehicle right here. We'll grab the keys here and we'll get in the trunk. Paint as slick as can be. The surrounds on the tail lights here, you always want to check those out too. These look like they're brand new. The chrome looks like it's brand new. The emblem looks brand new. Only got 2 keys, so I got a pretty good chance. Of course, I tried to put it in upside down the first time. Look at there. Man, that looks like 1969 in there. Look at that trunk floor, those wheel wells, how nice and clean everything is. They do have the spare and the jack in there. All the paint work here looks good. The rubber looks good. The lips on the deck lid look good. You always want to check this lip here. Look down the side of it. Look how nice and straight it is. Check out the fit on the door. She is beautiful, guys. And one of the reasons this car is so beautiful is we own this car. So you can bet we spent the time and checked this car out before we bought it and brought it to our shop. When we get them here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any specific questions you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you anything you want to know about the car. Right now we've got about 240 in stock and we bring in between 40 and 50 new ones and I'm picking all of them out, so I'm going to help you pick out your dream car. All right, it's 69 Chevelle time. Big block under the hood, 4-speed between the seats. Let's go for a ride. I'll tell you what, this is one of the nicest Chevelles we've had in the shop. The car is amazing. It looks like it's brand new. It's like we went in a time machine, went back to 1969 and hopped in a Chevelle. This thing is sweet, guys. The Fathom Green looking good, sounding good. The exhaust sounds great. And we can park it in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now, if you need help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. Normally takes about 15 minutes on the phone with the finance guy, and we can get this dream parked in your drive. You can see down here on the dash, everything's looking good, looking brand new. The speedo's working, looks like a gas gauge is working. Heater controls all look new. The radio is stock appearing and looking new. Got that Hurst shifter there in the center console. Car's driving awesome. Now Tom's gonna take care of all the paperwork for you. You don't have to do a thing except make a phone call. And if you decide to talk to the banker, he's gonna make it real easy for you too. Car sounds amazing. Make sure you check us out on Facebook. Make sure you check us out on YouTube. Look at our website often. We've always got new stuff coming in. We spend a lot of time hand picking all this stuff out. Get around the corner here. We'll head down to our shop. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna get this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, see what's going on with the motor. And we're real close to the airport if you'd like to fly in and check it out in person. Now we sell most of our stuff sight unseen, but we love it when our customers come in. So stick with us, we're gonna get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 69 Chevelle now, and you can see just as nice underneath. We got a brand new tank. We got a nice coating on the trunk floor. Frame looks good. Exhaust pipes look like they're brand new. Drop downs look good. We got a 12 bolt in here, 373 gears, and it is posi. We got new bushings in the swing arms. We got a sway bar here. We got new shocks. The guys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like we got some Dynamax mufflers here. That's why it sounds so good. Now, I always look at the bottom, this bottom swoop here in the frame, because these frames fill up with junk right here. So very important to check out these frames in this lower area. Always check out the back side of the rocker here too, and the bottom side and that pinch weld. It looks good. Now the floorboards look all original to the car. They are beautiful. We got an M21 4-speed Muncie trans here with the stock clutch on it. That's mechanical clutch with the stock appearing bell housing also. We do have disc brakes up front. It looks like the ball joints have been changed out at one time. It looks like the shocks are new. The brake lines look new. Brake line front to back looks new. Fuel lines look new, front to back also. Cross member looks good. Sway bar up front looks good. All the bushings look good. The front frame horns are nice and straight. You can tell that it's never been in a major accident. Core support. This is something you need to look at on every car. This core support looks great. You can see the AC condenser up in there. Chrome on the front bumper's looking good. I mean, it looks like a brand new car even underneath. The paintwork on the rims look beautiful. Trim rings look good. Center caps look good. We got BFGs, and they look like 225/70 14s up front. That wheelhouse looks like it's brand new. That wheel lip molding looks brand new. I always try to get up behind here and check out the back sides of the fenders. They feel nice and smooth back there. That pinch weld looks good. The paintwork on the frame looks good. I mean, they did a beautiful job on the restoration. You're gonna have to invest in some mirrors so you can show off the bottom side of this car. You're gonna really wanna show everybody how nice it looks. 225/70 14s back here also. Again, paintwork looks good. Also, always check this lip here. And again, I always caution you, the tips of them screws are sharp as hell. You know how I know? We got a beautiful looking pinch weld here. The wheelhouse there looks good. And you also want to look at this weld where the trunk floor is welded to that inner wheelhouse. Everything's nice and clean. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 396. It is a 69 model 396, but it is not numbers matching. It's got the correct quadrajet carburetor on it, the intake, the whole 9 yards. We got GM hoses, we got the correct clamps here, we got the correct AC compressor, and look at the cover here for the evaporator on the AC. That looks like factory, man. Even the copper lines are all shined up. All the aluminum's all shined up. I mean, the firewall's nicely painted. It's got a stock appearing distributor. It looks like the windshield wiper motor's new. The Power booster on the power brakes is definitely new. The master cylinder looks new. It's got power steering. Even the fuel filter looks correct. The alternator also looks brand new. The radiator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. The battery looks brand new. The core support looks good. All the paintwork under here looks phenomenal. I tell you, take this car anywhere and be proud of it, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.